guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're starting a new series, an interior design series. Yes, I'm going to be showing you or teaching you about different design styles. You guys have asked so many different times, how did I know that I wanted to style my house in the glam style? Well, you kind of got to know what it is and what it is that you like. So today's video is all about how to design in glam style. Before we get started, make sure if you're not a subscriber, join, okay? I have plenty of content coming up and I cannot wait to share it with you guys, and you don't want to miss anything. Hit the notification bell, okay? So you get a email, a notification when I upload. Yes. If you like all things pretty, fancy, and extravagant, then glam style is perfect for you. Glam style really originated during the Art Deco phase. If you go look up the Art Deco, you will find so many pieces that resemble what we call today as glam style. Glam style also started off as traditional. You start with traditional pieces and you add a little glitz, a little glamour to come up with the perfect glam style. Now, I have a few tips on how you can design your home in the glam style. Tip number one is you want to start with your furniture. I would say with your sofa. Your sofa is a statement piece. Now, you can go with blue, which is your Pantone blue. You can go with your creams, neutrals, whites, crisp black, you can't even get it out. Your crisp blacks and your pretty clean and neat whites. Your couch can have oval shapes. Your couch can also have beading, which my couch does. And you want to add different patterns. So you go with a really neutral tone and then you add really bold patterns. This can be done through pillows and different accessories. Next, we're going to talk about your coffee table and your end tables. All you need to know about them is that they need to be shiny, okay? They can be mixed metals. You can do silver, you can do gold. You can also do glass and mirrored. That is a true statement piece of glam design. Next, you cannot forget this step. This is so important because a lot of people miss this one. You want to add a rug to help pull everything together, okay? So with that being said, I went, of course, with a taupe, a very nude cream colored rug, and it has like reflective glitter in it, and the rug is plush. There you go with adding different textures, right? So all of that together is just made for a very beautiful glam living room. I want to give you a few examples of some of my favorite YouTubers who are heavily focused on glam design style in their home, and they've done a very great job. I love Keisha J. Keisha J is an inspiration to where most people are trying to get their home to. And she do other types of videos as far as clothing hauls and stuff like that. But her channel really focus and take you along with her to go find different glam design pieces for her home. And I love the fact that she was so bold and went with this really pretty Pantone blue. That is the color of the year and it's gorgeous. The pillows, everything. She has a very good key design for glam style. The next tip is that you can glam up your home by adding shine through details, sparkle, glitter, and patterns. The rule of thumb is that if it's silver, has a mirror, glass, then it belongs inside of your glamorous home. Now, my final tip for you guys is gonna really focus heavy on your lighting. Yes, you can design your space with glam through your lighting. I recently installed a wonderful, beautiful, oversized, eye-blinding chandelier in my master bedroom. You guys, it is so pretty. It doesn't feel like I live in it. It feels like I'm on vacation inside of my master bedroom, okay? You can also add different elements as far as scones. I've seen so many different ways to refresh and add glam lightings to your home. Now, I want to give you a few places that you can go shopping. You know, I love to shop. So, of course, I know where you can find all things that glitter, gold, and silver, and fur, you know. The number one place that I go to, now I do live in Atlanta, so a lot of places don't have a Z Gallery. But the great news is that you can order online. Yes, I said it, honey. If you don't have a Z Gallery near you, you can order pieces online. Z Gallery is on the more expensive side, but it can be very affordable if you shop in the sales section, you know? So other stores would be Marshall's, Burleson Coat Factory, Ross, At Home. I've also managed to find some pieces. Now, Kirkland's doesn't cater to glam. You will stumble upon glam pieces in Kirkland's. Let's just be real. You'll stumble upon glam pieces. I did find some great, beautiful, beautiful paintings for my living room. And I found two that sparkle. So, and they were really, really reasonably priced with the coupon. So there you have it. You guys, I have enjoyed giving you as much information as possible about the glam design style. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making it for you. I want to thank you so much for taking the time out to watch, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.